Yo, I welcome you all back to WATHC TV. It is your boy Imana, aka Kwame Africa. And you know, today's section is 1 in a million, you understand. And we are currently, as I told you, our current location is still at Dormaa. We are heading towards the Sudan. But I'm here with one of the finest Ghanaian farmers, a very young farmer who is into the rearing of cattle. Charlie. This is going to be very, very educative. So you just stay tuned to the channel, subscribe to the channel, leave us a comment down below, and follow me on all my social media platforms. Stay close to the channel as I interview my guest to you. Shalom! So as I told you, this is the finest gentleman I can see on the land, you understand? The name is Baba. Baba, mostly people call him Baba, but he is by the name Idris Salifu. Yeah. So my friend Alaji. What do you say? My friend Alaji. Aja boko there. Boko. Let us say. Boko. Charlie, mo ye juma power how? Wow, nitia. But when mo ye hard wa say power. Kakra. Za juma ne de. Wow, sisi so pese obobra. Exactly. Say we take some steps. So what you say? So wow, sisi so obobra na. And you be the best so push you say consonant cottage my. All right. So wow, we make steps now. Okay. Mpai boka kra so nyame so betima modu ba bia inshallah idin no Idrisu Salifu ana ebisa ka ho but the do na ni mu ase ne baba no ase. All right. Okay, so Idrisu project we nyina cattle yi e sha ase sen ebrebe na onya dream no. Okay, it seems we dey me fa ne say me fa da modwuma o mayache. Okay, ya efie ne na nkwasefo. Okay. You come waton or market butchers. Oh, okay. Okay. Ntino. And adwuma we say so na study be hu say e be do ba bi no. Say de na anantwi boy den no. Say wa wanya bia ngu ho, say bia ho kire wa, odi bi be ye wo niam kakra. Okay. E be do ba bi ko market a, ntimi to anantwi. Ntimi to. Because me kai last year ya me the example a. Yeah. Uko market, ye ko Sirimlai Hobope side ho say kotomo a. Mwan kuma kura no bia 16 20 sa 17 but in nessa amwa no obeto mo be 50 million obeto mo 50 million enti no senye nkakra na obeye dia pesa amwa we agu ho adwuma no ntimi nya. Okay. Ayasemo baba ma yati assess everyone say ebusuya na ebusuya adwuma and they say on the drone so on a so will take care of. Yeah, be we need the me so said the me pese me ko animu. Say abusuan ye dawson. Oh, okay. But me na matiki say me yes adwuma we. Okay, into this particular side ne de eye wo na wo hwe so. Sa me de me wow de sa neti. Okay, now shall say saying. Okay. It seems say on say adwuma ne de wo ho a kakra. Yeah. See dey na me wo be 10,000 midaho. Okay. Na me exercise carry me invest. Okay. Na investment international. Investment inshira wo mpa nso yesa adwuma we. Once adwuma we no wo ya aboa kura no makom dina wa unim asotwen wo ma efi nyame ho. Nti aboa nso demo na wo hwe na okono na nyame nso to yere. Good so sanity. Oh, okay. Nti unyaminya 10,000 I'm saying the best starting investment na menya mo be 5 bi go. Okay. Nti 5 no e wuma omo beduru ba bia na mayi omo free ho na masen akoto bia 8. Oyi omo free sen say omo ube ton omo. Okay. Nti say o feed omo do kakra e be baso. Obetim de anya bia 2 asan de asa kan sa nti kakra e kona no na omo ba bedusi. Nti say omo yesen. Okay, moi wa ha de omo ko be 60. You are dio. Okay. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a steps. Aje wa wan kase obeye. Yes. In life and it's all about dedication. So mo we need down. Now cause me san me hu wiase am bae. I don't know if san we hu ne so. Say wo we need down now cause obeye ade bia ba wi ata so be bia no. Ya me be ma omu ahoden. Sa na tie. Ama wo de aye. Sa pepepe. Okay, your friends business o shall say emu challenges the same. See area hano. Okay. Omunye familiar with the rearing of animals no. Nti no onsem funfu ha bebre. Yeah. Nti no cry ye bre bet. I say ya fatu your ho se be ye ne de. Twase oye. omutimi pie ba bi ombe didi kwa times na
den
because obefa hafu ha nti isi fulani fo na omudi omachi no omo na ewo so omo very careful be se bia wura kakra bi wa ha wo so omko didi se wuyi wani free bi abo ba ko na mienu bi so abehu na omasi obi afu
obi omo kwakose obi afu
na so the problem abanti challenges are efisi die ene ye the number 1 ye nya ba biankasa e be kasa ombe didi Bianca so be di ho odin ti anytime bia akuafo no at times omo ye no ba ye no ma omo di complaints be bring neighbor na wabo be say mi we wabo be mi say ti to e bi so a sa challenges in so
all right, so you know what my challenges now mo face no first one and the majority one na ye ba bi omo be di no mo any other challenge bi mo ho ana
okay, challenges I mean can say oh no. On say hana so at times I na man phone share dan nim. Mfaso ya na wo we no ha. At times omo hu mo na omo fi say bia. An say na nkasa na realm of animals no share dan ni hasa. Ha.
Particularly your friends a kettle no.
Yes.
Share dan ni hasa.
Yes, nti amanfo hu a say omo suro ni something ti.
But omo nya harmful there.
There be. Omo how.
You know, but the smell no. A man from free about man complain about the smell. I know they'll be uncomplain. And you are good to go. So what was and
I say no soon shada men fee crumby brisa. There might be a complaint about free the commit make say a hard drink to be free or na fa kobo
challenge. All right, Baba. You know, you care about the challenges, you know. Adwuma bia na say challenges ne do so chan importance na onya wo na it discourage you to the bia na person wo nyan and then they keep you motivated, I keep you going.
Okay, they keep you motivated. Say mo say you know say wo nyan say they make an omobo no sese ya na ekosoro
sese ya bo no wo soro
sa nti say wo nyan na wutimi nyan ni yie dia.
Okay,
atanya so mfaso bebre so benya wo so do so pa na wo san nya mma ne bi wo mu na se o mo nso wo mawa ebedu ba bi no kina nko a wo mo aye sei bo nso ma ba bedu sei nti ewu hu mo na de mo na obehu se de mo ye kama na wo nso so no wo feel happy
because you know farmer bia and going to farming with the expectation of making losses. Obia ko farming mu say obenya bibi infaso bia eden e dey frame. You know as we always say no, you know obi wo ho a na sebe wa ko school ewie. But if you getting to close to 5 years, we use this opportunity. See, the best advice the youth come in. Near say agriculture is also another business. You know, first and then you say, like we be our co school. You say, no man for who say Juma or moment in BNA. But we are getting to realize, say, Charlie, it's a couple of moments. So you know, within a short possible time, you know, can you tell us, you know, our viewers, you know, how, you know, especially youth, you know. So we school now say a friend is saying, yes, you can do something with your life. What I say? Yes. Me youth in for some.
So okay, me say me go school me we SS.
Okay.
My we SS me won BBA ho. But me heard said the education side no.
To say ayena.
Said the ayena.
BBA school be 10 years can no go.
Na unya adwuma nye. Nti wo a me fan say me no we school be 6 years time no. Na obi hu me a we ka say waye wo.
Okay.
Nti wuti fi a mo hye mo hu kran say de be ya nkakra no. Wo even 1,000 kra na first start bibi kakra na with time no e be call nim kakra de amaw
nti o pa kire se me fa won san hye wo dem fa mu na nka se bi adwuma ni wa o twen aban na efuo na ebu no tese bu no ha se ya o pa adua eburo kra betimi adua what is ya betimi adua. So you know, let's get to be motivated by this kind of interviews and you know move from our comfort zones and you know occupy the farming industry. It's not easy, but Charlie, every journey with 1,000 miles begins with a step. You understand? Alaji, you know, you motivate your mom share now. You know, Osha Juma how many years in here?
Okay, Michelle Juma we are saying, men funny say I could be 7 years in here.
Sir, and I penny more. Grandpapa,
I could be 7 years because time I'm in school, no, I'm to horse and I'm taking decision. No. I was saying start baby.
Okay.
Because we do any to say we be nya adwuma bi wa ha emwa starting kakra krasa na ya ba bedu
na wonam adwuma yi so etimi aye bibi ka bibi an me che se bia nam you know eboa
pa adwuma we e na ama ne matima si portrait 2 rooms eno a mo we na me si portrait dan nti eno so ye different business I no so aba beka na ntwe adwuma yi ho na ntwe adwuma ya na me de ye me 2 rooms I na me portrait 2 rooms kakra me ko
ani asa so wo best room
esa wo best room a mo bi to bi so afi na o maba so
into do ani bua wo best no kra be how many beds
okay sisi ade no wo be 500 won chain na wo be 1500 so won chain tin fa say 2000
no oh wonderful
we are
you know the mua na dey si wa wo fie na dey atowa wo ka na brabo na wo na o expand the business you know now we start to enjoy life. You know, that's our blessing for every farmer, you understand. You to actually get motivated and do something. You understand? Get motivated and do something. It's possible you can do it. Without wasting much time, you know, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Kwame Africa, aka Imana. It's all about OT Vibes TV. We get deeper to get to deeper stories, you understand? I'm motivated by Babe's story. But how can you do this without you? How can we do this without you? So, you know, subscribe to the channel, you understand? Keep us going. Give us subscription down below. Baba, bibu wa obe pesa obe na makunya we so akachira bayana.
Okay.
And also be pe akachire moafo na mansaye.
Okay, you see the aban no nso to na ni hwe.
Okay.
Yeah, yes adwuma we say.
Okay.
Because na ntwinya you know. At times I say individual bet.
Okay.
You so see ya eboa man ni nyina.
Okay.
Yes, because say na manya na ntwie na say ama obi abeto so okukun akoton a.
Yeah.
At least ebeboa maman no.
Ebeboa pa.
Yeah, inti.
Chale.
Omo so omo fo mo ni hwa hana. Mo kakra e wo rele na fa ni masini mu so so. Omo so mo kakra mo no betim dia boy. Omo fa me boy.
Inshallah. All right, so me that's it. What I say, you know, yeah, that was say by, you know, only atwetwe nkomo kama no akire ye ko. Yeah, that was pa I'm sure. Yeah, bomb pa say afese na nim atre.
Inshallah.
You understand? So be pay be ata, obetime do number ato ho. Obetime afro.
Okay.
The telephone number
is number 024 yeah 780 42 69 yeah
024
780 42 69
yeah. You know, so the number no so who pay be ato or any investment opportunities be akwa betime afro no. What I say na mo who said you know, he's a very young energetic guy, you understand? He gets there. Or what your friend is saying, our future, you understand? These are the kind of people we need to invest into, and I'm telling you, they're not going to disappoint. I always say that respect farmers because they go through a lot to bring you what you eat. So just respect farmers, you know. Shalom, peace.